gotta adjust the car to make sure we can actually get the charger. Can't wait to get this car fixed. They may have to give us a new car.
Oh yeah? What's wrong with it? The steering?
All right, so we're actually taking the Tesla Model 3 Standard Range Plus to get it checked out because we're noticing that there is a popping sound when turning. For some reason, I can't get it to do it right now, but we're going to check this out to see if we can figure out what's going on.
Destination is on the left.
So this would be the center here, the Tesla Motor Vehicle Repair Shop. So let's see if we can figure out what's going on. So they just took in the vehicle, and these are all of the cars that are here. Have a lot of X's, have a lot of Model 3s as well. So we'll see what they say in regards to the popping noise inside of the car. And it may just be a quick fix, or it may be something that could take a lot longer.
Let me find out the tire condition.
Yeah, because that's the thing on the flip side too. You know, I mean, yeah, if I feel like I can get
1 hour later.
So it looks like everything was working okay, but it did tell he did the alignment. He thinks that could have been. It says at low speeds are. Let me go talk to the tech real quick.
Okay. Yeah, because I think even when I first got it, that the alignment was off, but yeah.
Let me go talk to him real quick. I'll be right back.
Because I always noticed that the steering wheel was just.
Yeah.
So the verdict was that there was just an issue with the alignment. We see here, and the popping had to do with the alignment. So as we see here, we have tire pressure set to factory recommendation, thread depth of the tires, alignment. When they did the alignment, they adjusted some of the bearings so that it didn't pop anymore. And so it says customer stated there's a pop noise from front vehicle when turning at loose speeds. So verified proper operation to perform four-wheel alignment, all adjustments within the vehicle specifications. Test drove vehicle is okay. So the total price is $0, and so that should be covering all of my issues, and we hope we don't have any issues. But thank you for taking this journey with me. We're ready to get back on the road. Feel free to hit the like button if you enjoyed the video. And also, we wanted to mention in regards to this experience that some of the things that we did learn is that you want to make sure you schedule your appointment if you do notice any issues with your car. If it's under warranty, make sure you take it in and they can check it out, see what the issue is. I did notice that there was an issue with the alignment when I first got the car. If you want to check out that video about our delivery day and what occurred that day, feel free to view that It will be linked in this video. And pretty much that's the breakdown. We hope you enjoyed, and if you have any questions, leave them below. If you like videos like this, feel free to click that button and subscribe. We have more content coming your way. If you have any questions or suggestions about new videos, please feel free to leave a comment.